Welcome back, everyone. Steve Villanueva here. We begin in the tropics. We still have till the end of the month for hurricane season. And we are right now zooming in to the Caribbean and just south of Cuba. That's where we are watching a tropical wave. Has a very low chance of developing. Either way, it is going to make a run towards Central America as we head into the next couple of days. And eventually the energy will work its way into the Pacific, staying well south of us here in South Florida. Live look outside Delray Beach. We do have lots of clouds around, at least into Palm Beach County, and the waters are very rough. In fact, we have a high surf advisory in effect as we head into the next couple of hours. It does run through tomorrow morning. We're expecting waves anywhere from roughly 6 to 8 feet. And we also have a wind advisory for coastal Palm Beach County, where we're seeing wind gusts over 30 miles an hour. Temperatures mainly middle to the upper 70s, and these are pretty much going to be the daytime highs for today. The winds out of the northeast sustained at 20, but we're seeing wind gusts stronger than that. In South County, a wind gust of 32. Into Boca, Stewart right now, wind gusts of almost 30 degrees. Notice plenty of sunshine into the Treasure Coast. More clouds right now, especially into southern Palm Beach County from West Palm down towards Boca, but not much in the way of rainfall. Could pick up a spotty shower or two as we head into today and into tomorrow, but really for the most part, we're on the dry side. Notice all the clouds right here. This is a front that came through, and the front's going to start to lift back towards the north. So as we head into the weekend, some of the moisture associated with that front works its way back into South Florida, and as a result, we could start to see a couple of showers around as we head into Saturday. Temperatures warming up by then. Temperatures back into the lower 80s, so it looks like a seasonal day Saturday as far as your temperatures go, and by Sunday we're in the middle 80s and maybe just a spotty morning shower. As we head towards the afternoon hours, notice these winds. They are quite gusty, up to about 35 miles an hour at times. Tomorrow, still wind gusts over 30, and then by the time we get to Saturday, we're going to start to see the winds back off. A strong area of higher pressure to the north that's helping to stir up those winds will finally start to weaken, and as a result, our winds will start to weaken too. Now, if you're going boating, we do have a gale warning offshore. Seas anywhere from 9 to 15, so the waters are very rough, including our inland waters. There are your high and your low tide times. And here's your first alert 7-day forecast. Temperatures do rebound over the next couple of days. Saturday night, don't forget, we are falling back.